Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to add items to Wishlist on Discord. So first up is launch your Discord application and navigate to the shop or marketplace section. So from there, you just have to browse through the available items, games, or collectibles that you are interested in adding to your wishlist. So next is access your wishlist settings. So go to your Discord settings by clicking on the gear icon and navigate to the wishlist section in the sidebar to view and manage your saved items and preferences. Next up is when viewing an item that you want, look for the star icon or add to wishlist button. So this is usually displayed prominently on the items page or in the shop interface. Next is after clicking the wishlist button, you will see a confirmation that the item has been added, so a check mark or success message will appear, confirming that the item is now in your wishlist. Lastly is access your wishlist anytime to see all your saved items, so you can manage, remove, or share your wishlist with friends and get notified when wishlist items go on sale. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!